Here we are with Ready, Set, Go 5.6 for stats. So, just kind of using a number line to answer. So, find the distance between points A and each of the points on the number line. So, A to AF. So, from here to here, we'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, for AC, 1, 2, 3, 4. For A to G, 1, 2. A to B, 1. A to D, 1, 2, 3, 4. And A to E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what is the total of all the distances from point A that you found in exercise number 1? Okay, so if we add up all those distances, right, we'd have 10, 24. Okay, then it says find the average of the distance that you found in exercise 1. So we added them up. They're 24. There's 6 of them, so 24 divided by 6 would give us an average of 4. Which points on the number line is located the average distance away from point A? That would be C and D. Circle the locations or locations on the number line. That is the average distance away. So here and here. There's A, right? Okay. Then, what about if we're going from point D? Erase this a bit. Okay, so D to F be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. D to C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, D to G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? D to A, 1, 2, 3, 4. To B, 1, 2, 3. And to E, 1, 2. Okay, so then what is kind of doing the same thing? What's those total distances? Okay, well, we add them up. 10, 20, 31, 34. Okay, find the average. So 34 divided by 6, that's not going to give us a nice, neat average, is it? Be 5 and 4 over 6, which would be 5 2/3, or 5.3 repeated. Okay. Is there a point on the number line located the average distance away from point D? There is not. Okay, so to do that, we'd actually have to count, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 0.3. So it'd be right there. Technically, we could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0.3, and do it there as well. Okay? All right, now, scatter plots. Create a scatter plot for the data in the table. So we've got some scores, right? English scores and history. So we've got English here, and we've got history. So they're pretty high, so maybe we should count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, for the English. History, same thing. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. All right, so we plot the points, 60 and 65. So 60 for English up to 65, should be right there. 53 and 59. So 53 would be right about here, 59, like right there-ish. That was the second. Okay, then 44, 57. 44, 57, about right there. 61, 61, about right there. and 70-67. About right there. Okay. Do they have a positive or negative correlation? Well, it's going up in that direction, so definitely a positive. Okay. Do the history and English scores have a strong or weak correlation? That should have been 13. Okay. Well, they're pretty close together in a pretty straight line, so I'm probably going to say that they are strong. All right. Okay, now, looking at this, which graph shows the best model for the data? We'll create the best prediction. Okay, so explain why. So looking at these three, I'm going to definitely go with C. B is too low. A is too, angled. Okay, going way too high above. Okay. So the one that splits it and seems to be the average would be C. So splits the data is the average. Okay, what about 15? Now this one's more of an exponential, so definitely has to be B because it follows right along with the data, doesn't it? Okay, follows that data very well. And the last one, 16, which graph below shows the best model for the data and will create the best prediction again. Okay, so looking at this one, okay, if we were to do a linear, it would look like that, but that doesn't look like the best fit, does it? Neither does B, so it definitely has to be A. Again, it's following that data to the best ability there. Okay, there we go, guys.